What's up guys, it is Jack and today we're doing a FIFA16 pack opening. But instead of doing the draft, we're going to be doing the pack opening. So yeah, we're going to open a rare gold pack. And we get... anyone? He's got 90 pace, but a Barbo. That's Rakitic, best player. Oh, legend! Yes! 1.5 million that pack's worth. Tells you there. And we get diabetes. Okay, Matthew. Roberto Carlos and Diego Costa and 2 informs. Oh my god. That's actually insane. Right, so we've had 2 legends so far. Okay. We got a goalkeeper who's 82 rated. An inform who's quite bad. Another inform, Lucas. Okay, that pack was quite bad. I think Lucas here goes for about 30k. 50, I don't know. And we get Danilo. An orange and a legend. Oh, and Fabregas. A legend, an orange card and Fabregas. Guys, that is insane. Oh man. This is, honestly, I might put greatest pack opening ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, guys. Oh my. 3 legends. And Van der Sar and an inform. You're not going to get a pack better than that. Oh. Look though. 3 legends and Van der Sar. That's my greatest pack so far. I've packed 99 Messi before off camera. Or Cavani. And an orange, but we've already got him. So yeah, that's not that good. I also packed the orange Memphis. Oh, a legend again. And Van Persie. That's a good pack. So many legends. Like on this at Wii Foot, honestly, that's all you get, legends. Like in my foot drafts, I'm getting 95 Messi and Ronaldo and a legend. You always get a legend. Oh, and again, but we've already got him. So I'm going to have to discard this pack. And I can't save it into my club. Also, guys, you can make clubs on this. And I've logged in and everything. And... oh! Iniesta as well. Oh, but I'll show you my team. But 3 informs. Iniesta, who's worth about, I don't know, 800k. And then Beckenberg, who's worth easily 1.5 mil. Oh, look at that pack. Also, I once packed, on a foot draft, I got Pele. Oh, another legend. But it is worth about 200k. Or 400, 300, I don't know. Okay, we get the Arsenal player. Oh my god. How? 2 more legends. Oh. Guys, tell me if this is the greatest pack opening ever. Okay, Costa to search. Yes, Man United. Okay, that was... I'll keep Costa, Ter Stegen, Nazari and Victor Valdez. And I'll keep Barkley, but no, apart from that, no. Also, you can save packs onto your accounts. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Oh! What a great way, honestly. I'm Vamos. So I think that's the greatest way to end a pack opening. So yeah, see you guys in a minute.